Hello everyone. Today we're going to be going over remarkable identities. So this is built from the previous video, which was about quadratic equations and factoring quadratic equations. So typically these two lessons coincide, and we are going to be looking at specifically three highly important remarkable identities, which are a plus b squared, a minus b squared, and a squared minus b squared. For a plus b squared, this is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So we simply square a and we square b, and then we take 2 times a times b. For the second one, we have a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So very similar to the first. The only difference is that this transfers from a plus to a minus. Lastly, we have a squared minus b squared. This is a minus b into a plus b. Let's go ahead and solve some examples. So we have x plus 7 all of it squared. Now x plus 7 all of it squared is a plus b all of it squared. It has the same exact form as this. A plus b, all of that squared. So let's go ahead and expand it that way. So a squared, in other words x, when we square it, it's going to become x squared. 7 squared is 49. And then we have 2 times x times 7. 2 times x is 2x times 7. This is 14x. And we can go ahead and rewrite our equation, x squared plus 14x plus 49. That way, we're placing it in order of the decreasing powers of x. Let's look at another one. Two x plus 5, all of it squared. So again, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to square the first term. And remember, 2 and x are both to be squared. So we have 4x squared. 2 times 2x times 5. This is going to be 20x. And then 5 squared is 25. Now let's go ahead and check our answers by replacing x with a number. So let's just say x is equal to 1. 1 plus 7, when squared, is going to equal 8 squared, which will be 64. Now let's replace 1 by x. So we have 1 plus 49 plus 14. So in other words, 1 plus 15. In other words, 49 plus 15. So 49 plus 15. 49 plus 10, this is 59. Plus 5, this is 64, correct. Now let's go ahead and replace x by 1 in this case. So we have 2 plus 5, all of it squared, which is 7 squared, which is 49. Now, if we replace x by 1 in this case, what happens? 4 plus 20 plus 25 is indeed 49. And this is just a simple way to make sure that you're expanding correctly. All right, so let's go for some more examples here. And let's go ahead and look at x squared minus 1. Now on the surface, you can see that there's no power up here. So this is, of course, a squared minus b squared. The reason it's a squared minus b squared is that 1 squared is equal to 1. So in reality, this 1 can be taken as 1 squared. And now we can see that we have a squared minus b squared. So this would be x minus 1 into x plus 1. How can we make sure that our answer is correct? Let's go ahead and expand. First by the first by the second, second by the first, second by the second. We get x squared plus x minus x minus 1 plus x and minus x go away, and you're left with x squared minus 1, which is the same as what we started with. Let's do one more example for this. X squared minus 16. We can see that 16 is indeed 4 squared. So let's go ahead and rewrite this. X minus 4 into x plus 4. And now, if we want to expand this just to check our work, we can do so quickly, and we can see that this will indeed give us x squared minus 4x plus 4x minus 16. Plus 4x minus 4x go away, and so we have x squared minus 16 is equal to x squared minus 16. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, be sure to check out our channel at Jabbour Tutoring. And you can also visit our website, jabbourtutoring.com. Thank you for watching.